I went and made a purchase of an MS261C. Love this little critter. At least I like the way it looks. I'll take the cover off in a minute. And I also went up today and finally took the plunge and got me an MS261C. And this one's going to have the electronics on it. They call them the M-tronics. And yes, they don't give them away. So let's put this on the tripod and take a closer look at these guys. Alright. First up here is the MS391. This little guy. It's old school still. You know, it's got the, you can see this, you push the trigger down, you pull this back. Well, you first forget to pull this down. And that locks that into place there. So then she's ready to chug. Let's see, I've started this for a little while. And these have got the compression valves on them. And it chug, so then you just put the trigger in and flip it up to I for run. I'm not going to rev it up or anything because it's brand new, it's cold outside. Weighs about 14 pounds. 14.5 or something like that. These don't have the captive nuts on them. And also, it's got the cap on top. You've got these 3 screws. The other one's hiding out right here where my finger is. I'm not taking anything off. Yeah, I'll be in a minute, dear. Alright. This, I think this is going to be my go-to saw. Yeah, and the 391 had a 25-inch bar. The 261's got an 18-inch bar. And again, you know, the other one has got these flip-up oil and gas caps. Gas, oil. This one has also got the... I see, I'll be in for breakfast in a minute. This has got the elastic recoil start. Kind of cool. I had started this up once. I didn't know if I would like it or not. I like it. As you can see here, it's got the off, run, and then start. So to start it, just get you a handful here and lock it in place. Automatically went back to run. You push up to start. You can see this spinning around. If I can see it. And then you push this up to stop it. It drops back in the run. So all you got to do now is just pull the ripcord and she'll fire up again. You don't have to go through the start process. I think I'm gonna like it. Weighs about 10 point, I don't know, 4 pound, 8 pound. It's about 3.5 pounds lighter than that saw, so I have a feeling it. I'm gonna like it. It's got the round filter in here. It's also, like the other saw, it's got the decompression valve. Push that back in because when I started it up, it pushed it out. I love it. 2 awesome Stihl saws.